Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recognize sounds on WeChat using Seek feature. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Go to the Discover section. In the Discover section, you can see the Seek option. Tap on it to access the Seek feature. At the bottom of the screen, you will notice different options. Tap on the song option to set the Seek feature to recognize sounds. Now, hold your phone securely in your hand and give it a good shake. The app will immediately start recognizing the sounds around you. And this is how you can recognize sounds on WeChat using Seek feature. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.